Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the coastal protection project for Annotto Bay. Now Annotto Bay is the capital of Portland, and that side of the island is getting a lot of attention right now because the Southern Coastal Highway is going to meet the Northern Coastal Highway in Annotto Bay. That's where both roads will merge. So also because the Southern Coastal Highway is running from Kingston to Portland, you're going to have a lot more investment in Annotto Bay and Morant Bay and that entire side of the island. So the towns are getting ready for influx of activity basically. So Morant Bay and Annotto Bay, they're small towns, old towns. So they have to upgrade the town's infrastructure, roads, etc., to accommodate all the new traffic or all the activity that the towns are now going to get. So we're going to go through an article that talks about the Annotto Bay bypass and some of the work being done in Annotto Bay. So before we go through the article, the government has plans to build a bypass for Annotto Bay. So if you're passing through, you don't have to go into the town and add to the congestion or traffic in the town. You can just use the bypass and go on your way. Basically, where the Southern Coastal Highway meets, they want to build a bypass to get you onto the bypass the town of Annotto Bay if you don't have to go in the town. So let's go through the article and we discuss it after. A project aimed at protecting the coastal town of Annotto Bay from storm surges is scheduled to begin in June. Prime Minister the Most Honorable Andrew Holness made the announcement during Friday's handover of the $258 million Port Maria Fire Station in St. Mary. He noted that the new project will be another significant investment in the parish. Prime Minister Holness said that Annotto Bay is a small, closely knit town that has the potential to be a tourism gem, but noted that the area faces challenges such as coastal erosion, the low-lying nature, and drainage issues. This new project will help to solve a part of the challenge, which will be the Revempment works, which will protect Annotto Bay from storm surges and devastating wave actions. It will also help with the drainage in the town, he said. Mr. Holness said that the project will be facilitated under the Disaster Vulnerability Reduction Project, which is being implemented by the Jamaica Social Investment Fund in partnership with the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development through a loan agreement with the World Bank. The Prime Minister also informed that a path for a bypass road for Annotto Bay has been identified and the process to facilitate the development will begin this year. Alright guys, that's the end of the article. So it's good that they're moving forward with the bypass and that they're fixing the roads or building a revetment wall for Annotto Bay because these towns definitely need the improved infrastructure. Alright guys, let us know what you think about these projects. Alright guys, thanks for having the discussion with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.